Hi. So my name is Richard Rios. I am 18 years old, and I've been through the best and the worst, I feel like. I just want to introduce myself. I have quite a big family, 4 brothers and 3 sisters, and sadly, I'm not close to much, but it's all happened. Life is a big puzzle in my life, and pieces are still getting put together. There's a point I've been locked up for my teenage life, and I've been locked up over it in, I'll say 9 times, maybe double digits. But again, that didn't stop me, that didn't put me down. I once entered a welding career, a welding trade that helped me so much. And it all started with this guy named Mr. Barragon, Greg Barragon. He helped me, he changed me, and his skills helped me in a way to better my future from my past. And I like to talk about it. I like to talk about how I started from nothing till I seen I had nothing, till I made things look clear, till I bettered myself, so I found something. And again, I like to talk to you. Again, my name is Richard Rios. I am 18 years old, and I'm welding, and I'm making lots of money.